hear that? What I thought was a wheel bearing is not. It's my suspension. So what I thought was a wheel bearing, left-hand side wheel bearing, was actually, when I took it in to get it fixed, they soon rang me up and said, "What makes you think it's a wheel bearing?" And I said, "It's grinding and I get a knock on slow right-hand corners." And it wasn't. It was the suspension. All the bushes in the left-hand side of the suspension are gone. So it's got to go back in tomorrow. It's another couple of $100 that I didn't expect, because if you do the left-hand side, you've got to do the right-hand side. And when you do all that, you need a wheel alignment. But this company, Auto Care, and I'll show you them later, they've looked after me, and I'm really happy with the service. So we'll see what happens after that. And that was the first time, you probably didn't hear it too well, the first time I've actually planted the foot in the car. Up to 6,000 revs, it's 6.5 red line, and that was second gear only. I was looking for the German VTEC. Apparently these have got a form of VTEC. But yeah, nothing kicked in. Worth a try. Yeah, she gets up and rumbles. That's all right. Rumble? No, doesn't rumble. She gets up and squeaks. That'll do. All right. So I've just dropped it off here at Auto Care. New suspension. Front. So these are my tie rod ends. Actually, it looks like one has been replaced before anyway. This end was pretty well knackered. If you have a look here, that one, no movement whatsoever. And that one, yes, pretty gone. Yeah, so really glad that's all fixed. That is a good job. Price was reasonable, and yeah, I got the bits back just to prove it. These are the headlights finished. The grill's next. That's not too bad. Pretty happy with that. They look good. That's about it for now. Car's looking good. Alright. Hooroo!